Now I am taking an example where four linear inequations are involved and how we will get the solution, that is what is the most common part between these four given linear inequations. Solving of linear inequations means identifying that common zone, that common part which is included in all four linear inequations. Method is as usual, whatever linear inequation is given, we first make that equation, then remove the inequality, make it equation, draw its graph, take whether origin is its part or not, and then find most common zone. We have here to solve x plus 2y is less than equal to 8, 2x plus y is less than equal to 8, x is greater than equal to 0, y is greater than equal to 0. Four linear inequations, 1, 2, 3, 4. As usual, I explained you in the previous videos also, for getting to know the solution of first linear equation x plus 2y is less than equal to 8, I will assume this inequality in the sign of equality. If this is assumed that this inequality is the equality, then if I take x as 0, by the equality y will be 4 to satisfy, or if y is 0, the answer of x will be 8. And 0 comma 4 is this point, 8 comma 0 is this point. So I have drawn this line joining 0 comma 4 and 8 comma 0. This is the equation of x plus 2y is equals to 8. And 0 0 is satisfying this inequality, so its graph will be toward origin side, that is toward 0 0. Similarly, we can plot the graph of 2x plus y is less than equal to 8 by assuming this inequality in the equality. In this equality, if I take x as 0, y will be 8, or if y is 0, x will be 4. By taking this, if I draw the graph, this will be 4 comma 0 and 0 comma 8, and this is 2x plus y is equals to 8. But to make it inequality, I have to check 0 0 in this. 0 plus 0 is less than 8, so its graph will also toward the origin. For x is greater than 0 and y is greater than 0, we know that these two positives are possible in first quadrant. So what we are noticing, this shaded part is the most common zone. Hence the solution of all these four inequality is the quadrilateral. You can name is A, B, C and D. A, B, C, D's shaded part is the most common zone for all four linear inequalities. Hence we declare that this is the answer.